Once after the Geoweaver is open in your browser, you'll notice several sections in the left panel. Let's explore these sections one by one. Let's begin by understanding what a host is in Geoweaver. In this platform, a host refers to a computing environment or resource where your processing code and workflows are executed. It is essentially the engine that powers the operations you design and manage through Geoweaver. By default, Geoweaver includes a local host already set up. This means you can start running your workflows immediately on your own machine. However, to harness more power or accommodate larger data, you might need additional computing resources. Adding new hosts allows you to expand your processing capabilities. Whether it's a powerful server in your network or a cloud-based resource, Geoweaver can integrate seamlessly, giving you the flexibility to scale your operations. To add a new host, simply click on Add New Host. This action opens a pop-up window where you'll enter the host's details. In the pop-up, you'll see several fields. Leave the host type as it is. Enter the host name, which is a unique identifier for your host. Fill in the IP address of the host. Next, you'll need to enter the port number. This is crucial as it specifies the network port that Geoweaver will use to communicate with the host. The correct port number ensures that your connection to the host is secure and stable. Typically, the default port number is 22 for SSH. And finally, input the username that's used to access the machine. Once you've entered all the required information, click on Add. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new host to Geoweaver. You can now use this host to run your code and manage your workflows more effectively. Now that you've added a new host, let's explore how you can view and edit the details of any host on your list. Simply click on any host in the list to see all its detailed information displayed on the screen. This is useful for verifying the host settings or making necessary updates. To edit the host details, click on the Edit icon. This will allow you to modify any information such as the host name, IP address, or username. Make the changes as needed directly in the fields provided. Once you are done, simply click on the Edit icon again to save your changes. With these changes saved, your host information is now up to date, ensuring your workflows run smoothly on the correct computing resources.